All right, everybody, how y'all doing? Today I'm coming back with you with another entry price list PC built list. Everything looking good with this built list I put together here. It's on the i3 9100 full course 4 thread, 3.6 gigahertz, and 4.4 boost. It's on 32 gigabyte of RAM, and it has 1 terabyte of storage. Yes, I said it, 1 terabyte of storage. Y'all saying, well, why so 1 terabyte storage? If you need the extra space, you can go ahead on and do whatever. This entry level build is basically can be used for anything you want. And if you want to go ahead and upgrade it down the line, you can do so by adding a GPU of your liking, and you can increase the CPU up a little bit. This is on the LGA 1151 300 series. So make sure that it is on the 8th gen or the 9th gen processor. So you good. All right, let's get right into this build list. Alrighty, here we go. With this a wonderful build list. It's coming on a Thermaltake Versa H18 for $54.99. The Gigabyte B365M DS3H LGA 1151 300 series motherboard at $69.99. The memory, that's right, I said the memory. It's on GSkill Aegis 32 gigabyte dual kit, two 16 gigabyte of RAM, 288 pin, DDR4 2666 speed at $124.99. I'm teaming with the TeamGroup MP33 M.2 2280 512 gigabyte SSD internal for $50.99. I am teaming that up with TeamGroup EX2 2.5 gigabyte SSD for $46.99. Yes, the CPU is the Intel Core i3 9100 Coffee Lake 4 core 4 thread 3.6 gigahertz 4.2 gigahertz turbo LGA 1151 300 series 65-watt TDP coming at you at 154.34. I am teaming up with the power supply. Yes, if you want to upgrade to a nice, good, comfortable GPU, that requires into the power length. Yeah, everything is all set for that. I am teaming with the EVGA 650-watt power supply for 6242 and AsiaHorse RGB fans. WD001 120 millimeter 5-pack addressable LED 9-blade hydraulic bearing for $39.99. And I'm teaming up with the ID Cooler IS30 low profile CPU cooler for Intels and AMDs for $24.99. Keep in mind that this ID Cooler IS30 TDP watch handler is 100 watts. So they're going to go ahead and keep that the i3 9100 at its peak performance. 100%, 365 days out of the week, so you can throw anything at it. That ID Cooler gonna go ahead and keep that the i3 9100 at its peak performance, not overheating, just keeping it right. Coming in at $24.99, and yes, the keyboard, the TF200 gaming keyboard and mouse combo, LED rainbow backlit, wired gaming keyboard and gaming mouse for $26.99. Total of this build is $664.38. You can't go wrong with it. So if you have $700 in your pocket right now, this build is for you. It meets your budget. It's not maxing out your budget. And now, if you want to add a monitor and stuff with that, you could do so. If you have your monitor at home, most people go ahead and connect it up to their televisions, their 1080p TVs, or their 4K TVs. It's compatible for that as well. So you cannot go wrong with this build list. This build list is great. I'm going to go ahead and start building these build lists for you. And go ahead on and Do it as a giveaway. Yes, I said it as a giveaway soon. So y'all look out for that there. Right now, this build list is at $664.38. It's a great one. Y'all go ahead on and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. I will be coming with you with more content. Y'all have a great one. Peace.